First thing is I got this little fancy lawn leveling tool here. So today I'm going to show you how exactly this works. But for now I'm just kind of putting this thing together, and later on when we're getting the dirt spread I'll show you exactly what it's for. Alright, so we have dirt in place now. I'm not sure if I have quite enough. It looks like it was a lot coming off the trailer, but now that I'm kind of scooping it, we'll see how much that it is. But I'm going to kind of get this dirt work done today, hopefully, and then make a decision on seeding, because I am seeing some stuff in the weather that I'm not sure that I'm going to like. And of course, my luck would be, as soon as I put seed down, I'll probably get like 2 inches of rain when we haven't had rain for months. But we'll see what happens. So I'm also seeing over here that I wouldn't say this ground is really hard, because I did take some cores out of it, but I do feel like I'd like to open it up a little bit more, let some air in there and have some room for the seed and the new roots to kind of go down into the ground. So I am deciding that I'm going to go get an aerator, and then we'll tear this up a little bit and then start spreading dirt. Alright, my brother's about to watch me work while he flies the drone. So that's really all we needed, and every time I use one of those things I realize how much of a workout it is. Glad that I only have like a 1,000-foot section to do, so this machine just really is hard to kind of work with. Right, so I somehow conned my little brother, little as in he's bigger than me, but my brother Reed here is going to be helping me kind of finish this process. First we bathed him in some sunscreen, and a
bath full for sure.
I'll show you the difference between our skin colors here in a second, but he's going to help me finish putting some dirt on this. That's kind of the next process, and we're about to roll with that right now. So here we're using this lawn level tool that I bought, and this thing's actually pretty cool. So I took one bucket, or one wheelbarrow full of soil, and then just spread it across here. Do this one now and kind of show you how it works. Well, that's gonna do it for today. I'm totally exhausted at this point, and I need to go get a roller tomorrow to kind of make sure I can fine-tune my level here, roll things, and then kind of smooth it out again a little bit. So that's my plan so far. And hopefully get seed down, or I'm gonna have to kind of judge the weather here and what's gonna happen, but very soon the seed will be going down as well. So thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time.